Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create stretch effect on your images in Canva. This is a very easy process. It just take 2 to 3 minutes. So before starting the video, I request you to go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to playlist section and check out the courses I uploaded. I upload different type of courses from which you can earn money by providing services uh, or by doing your own business. So that's it, and now start the video. Here I search in the search bar Instagram post. I choose square post. Square post. So it shows me different templates, but I want to create a blank Instagram template. And that's good. It is uploading. Wait for some seconds. So the first thing we need is an image. You can also upload your own image or your client's image, but I go to photos. In case you don't know, you are new on this video and you don't know about Canva, so I request you to go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section, and there is a playlist called Canva complete Canva designing course, and you have to watch this playlist from start so you can understand what I am doing. So here I search man, and yes, this image is good, but the first thing we do is to remove the background of the image. I click on remove background. It is removing. Wait for some seconds. So it is removed. After that, click on apply, and that's it. Now I select the image and press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for again duplicate of the image. And now I place this image at this on the upper of this the background image. Wait for a second. Yes, and after that go to edit image and go to the effect called pixelate, and yeah, pixelate, and click on pixel. So as you can see, pixel effect is applied. After that, click on this, and horizontal pixel, give 3 value, and give vertical pixels 200 value, and that's it. And must click on apply, and that's it. So now I have to crop the image like this and this, and then select this cropped image and send to backward, and that's good. and that's it. After that, select the images and reduce the size of the images. Now select both images and increase the size of the image, and after that rotate the image like this one, and that's it. And after that, select the good background, like I select black. No, it's not look good. No, go to background, and yeah, I think it's look good. And after that, increase the that's it. So the stretch effect is applied. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.